for today's video mga kabiyoponaras, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Ang bato ng Pilipinas sa si Zina Ramos na nilalaman ng sagot during final question and answer portion ng Miss Global 2025 final nomination night. Narito ang kanyang naging sagot ating panuwi.
Your quote is, "Everyone needs to be valued. Everyone has the potential to give something back."
You have 30 seconds to reflect and answer. If you're ready, let's go.
I work as a lifestyle coach and mentor to women of all ages, and I empower women to become the best version of themselves, no matter what they're facing in their lives. I work with women who struggle with depression, addiction, and anxiety. In fact, one of the mentees that I worked with had such severe depression that she pulled out all of her hair on her head in a 6-inch diameter. And I'm proud to say, while working with myself and my team, she was able to regrow all of her hair, and she competed in a pageant where she did very well, and now she's a book.
Thank you, USA! It's time. Jamaica! Joining us at the center stage, Jamaica. Right now we have 4 icons left. Oprah Winfrey, Michelle Obama, Maya Angelou, and Malala Yousafzai.
I will go with Oprah Winfrey.
Oprah Winfrey it is.
Your quote is, "Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness."
And if you're ready, 30 seconds starts now.
Thank you so much. As I would have said before, this is a quote that I live by, and through many hardships in my life, I do believe I embody what it is to be resilient and move forward from anything that I have been through. And as such, a queen states that she does not fail, however, she embodies greatness and she proceeds with will. Thank you.
Thank you, Jamaica.
Up next, the Philippines. Please come up to center stage.
It's getting intense. Alright, Philippines, we have 3 icons left, which are Michelle Obama, Maya Angelou, and Malala Yousafzai.
Michelle Obama.
Michelle Obama.
Your quote is, "No country can ever truly flourish if it stifles the potential of its women and deprives itself of the contributions of half of its citizens."
You have 30 seconds. It starts now.
As an architect, an actress, and a content creator, this is a testament that women can be multifaceted and thrive in male-dominated industries. As your Miss Global, I am a vessel of empowering women, embracing cultures, and embodying the beauty within. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, Puerto Rico.
Here's your chance, Puerto Rico. You have to choose between Maya Angelou and Malala Yousafzai.
Your quote is, "There's a moment where you have to choose whether to be silent or stand up."
You have 30 seconds. If you're ready, let's go.
I was said to be myself. In silence, I find the comfort of knowing what I have inside of my heart and what I have to offer to the world. In this saying this, I always say to myself,
women has the courage and the strength to uplift their voices. And I advocate to stand up for women that doesn't have the courage to stand tall. But I'm here standing right now just not for myself, a woman that shines bright from within. Thank you.
Thank you, Puerto Rico.
Next, please welcome Vietnam.
Wow.
Vietnam, last but not least, Maya Angelou. She's your icon.
Her quote is, "You may kill me with your hatefulness, but still like air, I will rise."
30 seconds starts now.
I have a big part of my life been wasting that I'm thinking that I need to hide. I need to hide from everything that hurt me. But as myself standing here today, empowered and being myself, I realize that my legacy is just not for me. It's about to other women. At all ages, you can chase your dreams. You can do what you want to do as long as you believe in yourself and love yourself before you can love others. Thank you.
Thank you, Vietnam!
Mga Bioconeras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.